Friends, today I have here with me the Haldiram Minute Khana Dal Makhani, special Dal Makhani, and today we are going to see how to make this. So basically it's a ready to eat product and it's very easy to make. You just need to heat it and eat it. So what do we get inside this pack? So I open the pack right here, and inside this pack what we have is a vacuum packed Dal Makhani right here. You can see this right here. We just need to heat this, maybe add a little butter, and it will taste as good as fresh. So let's do this, guys. I'm going to quickly open this pack and add it to the pan and heat it for like 3 to 4 minutes. Guys, I'm going to pour in the Dal Makhani right here. You can see how good it looks. And we are going to let it warm or heat it on medium flame. So guys, this is the quantity that I've got in one packet, which is enough for like 2 people, serving of 2 people. I'm going to add another packet right now because we have 4 to 5 people who are going to eat it. So I'm going to add one more packet of this Haldiram Minute Khana Dal Makhani into it.